Mnangagwa doesn't practice what he preaches. Now he has said it publicly that he's a constitutionalist. But look at what his background and what he has done for the past years he has been in power. He doesn't recognize democracy. He doesn't recognize rule of law. He doesn't recognize freedom of association. And he says he abides by the Constitution. Never. He has never done that. What goes around comes around. What he did to Robert Mugabe is backfiring, is coming to him. Mnangagwa must go now. Like even those who have fought for the struggle, they've joined us, human rights activists and political activists. They've joined the bandwagon. They are now with us saying Mnangagwa must step down. So Mnangagwa, don't go to 2028. 2028 is too far. He should go now. It's important for him to go now.